So in my grandmother's backyard today, I was here actually at this desktop, and I heard like some sirens, right? And then I go out like hours later, and there's people screaming at me because they want directions. But then I look and I go around, I check the scene out, and I see that there's police and fire trucks there, and there's an ambulance. Then later I find out that a man was hit on a motorcycle, and apparently he passed away. A man died just 120 feet from me at 7:30 in the morning. That's kind of scary because that's like literally so close to home. I'm telling you, it's the worst feeling ever. Honestly, don't know how to feel about it. I mean, I could just brush off and move on, but I'm just making this to try to feel better. Usually nowadays, the town's becoming known for what I don't want to be a part of. First, it was the Cabbage Patch doll thing. Then it was the murders. Then it was my father going to prison in 2023. And then there's this guy. And there's a lot more murders, by the way. But first of all, I'm gonna chug this, and I dedicate this to the man that passed away in the motorcycle crash today. It hurts my tongue. But yeah, that was dedicated to him. And now I feel like my town is becoming a lot more unsafe. To when Charles Long was doing paintings of this beautiful town, and now it's like, it's all this? Like, Jesus, man. Like, if we gotta calm down with all the crap that's been going on. I feel like we're just like around the wrong people. And we really gotta think a lot more about how bad this could affect the children in the community. Even though I hate children, I hate them so much, but I still want the best for them. So, I just want to put this video out to pay my respects for the guy who was killed this morning in the crash. I remember walking around and seeing the scene, and it rained, but the guy died at the hospital. And there was another guy sitting on the back of on the butt of the truck, and I'm gonna tell you, he was with his girlfriend or something, and he looked so sad. Like, I was absolutely horrified by the look on his face because I thought it was like a DUI accident. I didn't see a motorcycle under the orange car, but now that I look at him, like, that dude's like thinking that he just ruined his whole life. It's not a hit and run, but he hit someone and that someone died. He's probably thinking that he ruined his whole life. And plus, he was a young guy. He was like a young redhead. He wasn't a big guy, but he was definitely. And I feel like me being there was somewhat solace comfort for him. I didn't go near him, but he did stare at me a lot. I didn't think it was creepy. I just think he wanted to focus on something else. So I feel bad for him. And to be honest, I stand by him. Plus, according to witnesses, the motorcycle was literally speeding as fast as fucking possible down the street. So I wouldn't put it past them. But I'm still going to honor the motorcycler's life. And I'm also going to stand by the person driving the car, because I'm pretty sure they're a good person and they don't deserve all this media attention that's about to be coming to them. So for anyone that watches this video and has heard about it, please do me a favor and don't help. Just don't get involved, please. Actually, I'm editing this just right now, and I just remember that I literally recorded a video right in that backyard literally just a few days ago. Isn't that crazy?